Hey everyone, this is Shubhi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this is my very first video and I'm pretty excited because I've been meaning to create this channel from quite some time now, but as they say, better late than never. So yeah, here I am, and to tell you a little about myself, I am an Indian who is based out of Singapore. So basically I'm an expat. And for today's video, I thought I'll take you out for a walk and show you, show you around and just to give you a glimpse of how a Singapore neighborhood looks like. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, now I'm at the ground floor. You can see the road behind me. And I'm going to take you now to a basketball court where you can see the kids playing and skating and cycling. So let me just show you that. They have these vending machines at every corner. Okay, so this is the basketball court and I don't see anyone playing basketball, but I can see some kids cycling and some parents as well. It's quite big and very well maintained. There's a e-preschool here for the community. So in my neighborhood we have a 24 hours coin laundry, which looks like this. And then there is a clinic, medical clinic, and on that side there's a food court, so I'll take you there. This is the authentic Chinese open food courts, which is quite affordable, and that's how the cars cross the toll before entering the society. We have Grab here, just like how you have Swiggy in India. So this is the other road to my house. And this particular path is for joggers, and you can walk as well. They have some independent houses here as well, like this. So this was the Singapore MRT. There is another family clinic in my area, and beside that there is a lottery ticketing center which is called Singapore Pools. Yes, lottery is legal here, and this is the Chinese store, so I'll just give you a quick glance. So now I'm taking you to the Indian shop. These are like small shops with all your essential needs, and they are available in almost all the neighborhoods. Yeah, it's not like a big full-fledged supermarket, but you will get what you need for your daily requirements. So guys, on the way we have this huge lush green big field, which is perfect for mornings and evening walks. So whenever I'm up on time in the mornings, I come here for a walk, otherwise in the evenings. And it's so refreshing to eyes. So guys, there's this school on the way and it's 5:30, so you'll see all the little ones on the road going back to their homes. And we are almost there, I mean to the Indian store. And now we have reached the store and I'm just going to show you from outside, because I'm going to do a separate video where I will show you in detail. So this is the Indian store where we all come for our daily needs. You'll get all the essential Indian stuff here. And just beside that there is this hawker center cum restaurant. So that was the Indian store. So now this is the bus stop and there's one there. There are always two bus stops on the opposite sides. And there are a couple of childcare schools as well. And then there's this kids school nearby, and this is the kids park. And now there is one more kids playground. As I said, that you'll find plenty of them. So this is the one. And at the back side they have installed very basic, I would not say gym, but workout equipments for the residents. So let me show you. We have this small area where you have like stepper and small basic equipments for your everyday exercise. This is not a full-fledged gym, but yeah, the basic, very basic equipment. So this one is the elliptical trainer. There's this garden also. It's like a community garden wherein you can enter from here. I think I have covered pretty much everything, whatever was required. There's still one thing in my mind which I really want to show you guys. It's a relatively bigger marketplace, but I've never been there because it's not exactly in my neighborhood. But I've always seen it on the way whenever I take cabs, so I'm not really sure if it's walkable. But let's see if I can show you. And we have this community club which is for all the community initiatives, and we have each for every area. I don't think I can find it because it's going to be dark and it's already drizzling. Still walking, and this is the main road. I think it's quite far. So this is definitely not what I was planning. So guys, that's not the one which I was thinking to reach. So another thing which I feel I should share is whatever I've shown you so far, right, be it the schools or the Chinese or Indian shops, they are not the only shops which we have in our neighborhood. There are certainly bigger shops and bigger markets, but for the urgent needs we reach out to these because they are pretty accessible and very close to my home. So yeah, I mean, these are for the quick needs where you have any emergency or you are, when you run out of stuff. So yeah, but we certainly have bigger markets, bigger shopping marts. Let me know if you want to see. I can cover that in the next video. And this is another market row which has some food courts, restaurants, and maybe 1 or 2 pubs. Hey guys, so that's it for today. I am home. It has started drizzling. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know in the comments below which part of the video have you enjoyed the most, what else you want me to show in my upcoming videos, or if you have any other questions, please let me know. And please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is my very first video. So please show some love, and I will see you soon in my next video. So till then, take care and bye. So another thing which I think, but I've never gone to that place, so let's see if we find it. And now I'm taking you to the Indian shop. Sorry, the Indian shop. So guys, another thing which I wanted to tell you, 1 second. But let's see if I can show you. And we have this community